All right, I just want to play a game with you real quick.
Okay.
This is a segment we're gonna call meeting or this, and you're gonna tell me if you prefer a meeting or this other thing. Meeting or email?
Email.
Meeting or phone call?
Phone call.
Meeting or text message?
Text.
Meeting or cooking?
Cooking. I love cooking.
Okay.
I'm not good at it,
I'm gonna go meeting. I'm not a good cook. Sorry.
This guy's gonna go meeting.
That's why he married a cook.
Meeting or cleaning?
Oh, that's a tough one. It depends on the meeting, but probably cleaning.
Meeting or folding laundry?
Folding laundry.
Meeting or bad date?
Meeting.
They sound like the same thing.
Meeting or babysitting 10 kids under 4?
Meeting.
Okay. Meeting or C-SPAN?
C-SPAN. I'll take C-SPAN.
Okay. We've got a courtroom dramatist over here.
Yeah.
Meeting or 6-part documentary series on the history of carpentry in the post-Civil War era?
Meeting.
You had to think about that
A little
one, though.
bit.
You like carpentry, maybe.
No, I mean, I like history, but I don't know if I could sit through that.
Meeting or what we're doing right now?
This, all day.
Doing right now.
Even though we're kind of at a meeting right now, are we not?
You know
we're
what?
at a meeting about meetings, which is what everyone hates.
In and out in 5 minutes. Easy as that. That's what a meeting should be.
All it has to be.